Hey guys, Samko from Samko Painting and Decorating. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the room I'm gonna do now. I decided to do this room separately from everything else because this room is in a very bad condition. I call it the pin room. The reason why, it's got pinholes all over the walls. Like you can see, there's pinholes everywhere. Stickers on the ceilings, like all the way throughout the ceiling. Pinholes everywhere. Pretty much I probably have to skim all the walls. If I would be doing just hole by hole, that would be like forever. Some memorabilia there. As you can see, it's very bad. It's very bad. A lot of patching and skimming for one room, and the smoke damage too. Up there in the corners. Stickers used to be there, and now it's all the residue, the sticky stuff there that we had to remove. Yeah, that will be it for now. I'll keep you updated on this one, and I'll do a couple of recordings. Then I do all the skimming and sanding and all the prep. What's involved in this one? It's a lot. Cheers. Hey guys, I'm about to reset this joint on a ceiling. I just want to show you how much the G-block has sagged down on a joint. That's like about 2 or 3 millimeters all the way through the ceiling, through the middle of the ceiling. So I'm gonna re-plaster this one with 2 coats of top coat and base coat compound. Another quick update guys, we just finished undercoat in a pinhole room. The product I've used on this one is stain and smoke blocker. That's the one from Precisions, from Dulux. It's really good product. It's blocked everything basically. As you can see, all the stains are blocked. So I'm gonna continue with cutting in the ceiling and keep you updated. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the pinhole room finished now. Just show you quickly how it looks now after we finish everything. Ceilings, walls. Looks much better now. The owners are very happy with this room. I said it before, when you do something you have to put yourself in preparation a lot, especially rooms like this. This one here, there was a lot of prep, but the prep is the key for every painting job. If the prep is not done the way it's supposed to be done, the job is not gonna have outcome like this one. So most importantly, in painting job, the most important is prep. I keep repeating myself all the time, but I will keep repeating myself because there's a lot of people who do this job and they don't do proper prep. Once again, thank you a lot, guys. Please subscribe and give us a like for this one, so we keep doing this what we are doing, putting videos up there for you guys so you can have a look what's the painting industry like. Thanks.